Just doing a huge Target run, you guys. Getting new bedding, some grocery items, doggy stuff. I'm up out early. I gotta make this quick because my battery's been dying. We'll be out here. I'll do a haul when I get back to my mom's place. Well, I guess. Sorry guys, I just lugged everything upstairs. My guides, my spirit guides are here for me. My phone was on red and I don't really know the area by heart, and I got home just before my phone died. Whew. Got my battery pack. I'm getting my stuff because I think I'm going to Washington, D.C. Take a look at the cherry blossoms, but I had rent to, I need to catch my breath. Anyway, I went to Target this morning. I got to show a little bit of my trip. Very relaxed. I love to be up out and early. Woke up at like 6 today and got some stuff for my new room. Woo woo. So tell me why my mom folded my laundry. I had left it in the dryer yesterday when I had moved in. She folded my clothes. Shout out to my mom. Is that what life is like? I haven't had that in like years, so it just made me so happy. But I got some new bedding because this is the guest bedroom. And I think this is just a quilt. It's very pretty, but it's very thin. And I like to bundle up under covers. So I found this throw blanket. I need to wash all this stuff. I don't have time today. I need to go get a car wash and then go back to my dad's before rush hour starts so that we can go out and do some fun things. But I wanted to kind of show you guys a little bit of a home haul, Target shop with me. This is so nice. It's like a faux fur throw from Threshold. They had a bunch of different colors. The headboard is actually gray, and I didn't really know that. So hopefully it looks good. I don't know. I'll ask my mom what she thinks when she gets home. I got some pillows because I like squishy, soft pillows. And the ones that are in here are more decorative. This one is good because there's no feathers. And it's like a down alternative. So it gives you that feel without having feathers coming out of your pillows and going everywhere. So I got 2 of these. And then this was the bedding that I found. I really like these like nudes. I almost did all white. I think it would have actually looked good with the gray wall. There's a gray accent wall and a gray headboard. But I have a dog that sleeps in my bed and I knew it would be a little bit hard to keep clean. But this one has like stripe detail on it. And this is for, I hope I got the right size, full/queen. So that's nice. I usually sleep with duvets, but I thought this would just be a lot easier. What else did I get? Another pillow. And then I got a lot of like grocery stuff, pantry items, because, well, I need to go to the actual grocery store. But this stuff is what I will buy anyway. Got some stress relief tea. I'm a big herbal tea drinker. So I got that. I got some granola for my thick shakes. I can't wait to start having protein shakes and stuff again. This is my favorite. There's no nuts in this at all, so if you have a nut allergy, this is perfect. They do a s'mores flavor, which I really want to try the next time, but this one's just the blueberry and flaxseed. I got Leroy's food. I need to start buying 2 of everything because I'm basically living in 2 places. Like I slept at my dad's last night, and I have like dog bowls over there for Leroy, but I want to like keep his food over there, keep some over here. Like I literally need to go get a duffel bag because I can't keep up with everything that I have. But my parents only live like 25 minutes away from each other. I got so much rice. I eat like a whole pack for a meal. I can't wait to start cooking and doing meal prep again. My dad is making ribs tonight, so I'm really excited about that. So we're not gonna do meal prep just yet. So I got that. And also a book. All my books are in LA, so I love this author. And this one just spoke to me. I like the series. I have the money version and then the original one, but this is to cultivate the awareness, boundaries, y'all know I love my boundaries, and daily upgrades that you need to make them stick. So this was 30% off. I'm really excited. Let me know if you guys have read this book before. I like the way that these books are set up. They're very easy to read, not too many pages. I like the font, you know what I'm saying? So I got this so that I can, you know, work on my mental health, work on self-improvement while I'm here. And I do want to kind of expand my book collection, so excited for that. Got some bars. Whew, there's so much I have to do today. I'm trying to see if I can get my pass for the gym, but I need to wait for my mom to get home. And I brought a piece of mail, because you need a piece of mail with your address on it so that people know that you live in the community, because it's not open to the public. So I need to do that when she gets home. What else do I have to do? My car wash today. So I need to find the address for that. It's a hand wash, which I personally prefer. But anyway, I'm getting off track, you guys. I'm sorry. I've just been all over the place since I've arrived in Virginia. This is only my second day here. I'm trying to get my life together. I definitely haven't had proper sleep since I've been moving, so that could also be why. I just want to do everything all at once. Like, I'm so excited. Go pick up the things I need to pick up, unpack, get settled. It's a lot going on, but in a good way. And obviously having support from your family definitely makes it a lot easier. So anyway, got some snack bars and toothpaste. I still need to go back to Target. My shopping cart was full, so there wasn't any room for me to get like a shoe organizer for my closet, because I feel like the way that I have my shoes on the shelf, it could be better organized because it takes up too much space. Didn't really bring a jacket that goes with all my outfits, so I've just been running around these streets without a jacket. So yeah, that's some stuff that I got. I still need to organize my bathroom stuff, put away all my clothes. I need to get hangers from my dad's house. They have a bunch of extra ones, so I'll bring those over next time that I come back so I can put and hang up everything else. And I literally just threw my clothes in the drawers in the dresser, so it's not organized at all. It's just organized by category, so maybe I'll pick up some like dividers and stuff. I just want to like see everything that I have before I start buying all this stuff that I might not need. So I'm just gonna get myself together. I'm packing up some stuff right now to take over to my dad's, and my brother wants to go to the gym. He's so sweet. He's like, I can bring a guest to my gym, so you can always come if you would like, which we love the supportive family, okay? I think my brother Loki is so excited for me to be here because we can do things together. So anyway, I'm going to change because these are my pajamas and I want to look cute for DC today. We're gonna go look at the cherry blossoms. They came out early this year and I think they're gonna leave. They don't last that long, so you kind of gotta go when they start popping out. And my dad had mentioned that we can go pretty early, so I'm gonna go do that. And I don't know if I'm gonna continue that in this video or if I'm gonna start a completely different vlog. I feel like I want to start a completely different vlog, so I might just cut it off right here. This was more so just like a little Target run, getting some home decor. I will, however, come back and show you guys the bedding and stuff once I, you know, put it on and set it all up and everything. See if my mom likes it first. I might have to return it to get like a gray set, but actually, now that I'm looking at it, there's this beautiful artwork. How beautiful is this? Has some beige, so it might look good. I don't know. I have to see what she thinks. It is her house at the end of the day. These are my clothes, things that I need hangers for, and everything else. It's my closet right now. Definitely need to get like a shoe shelf. I know exactly which one I want. That way all these shoes can be actually stored proper and not just taking up all this space. And all my beauty products are in here, so I need to kind of filter through those, put some of them in the bathroom, and just so much makeup. I haven't worn makeup in so long, you guys. Just letting my skin breathe. But in here, this is what I was talking about. I just threw literally all my workout stuff. I didn't know I had this much stuff. Kind of have a problem, but all I wear is workout gear, so I don't really mind it. This drawer is not bad. I brought some pajamas and just like loungewear stuff for sleep, so that's good. This is like undergarments, so I want to get some dividers for that. And what is in here? Oh, this is actually clothes. Like if I'm going somewhere, I put on my cute tops and then my jeans, so everything fit in here perfect. I just can't find anything, so I think I want to put hangers. Are you guys ready for a room tour? Just kidding, guys. There's not much to show you guys. Everything was done by my mom. She has absolutely amazing taste when it comes to like home design, home furniture, she could honestly be in a magazine. That's how beautiful her home is. So I'm very grateful that she opened up this room for me, which was the guest room, but she always has called it my room. Secretly, I like to think that she's always wanted me to come back for a little bit. So please don't ask me where everything is from, girl. I have no idea. But my mom, I know she just finds the best stuff. So I will tell you where I got the things that I picked up, like this bedding. You guys already saw I hauled it from Target. If I can actually find it online, check the description box. I will try my best if I remember to post it for you guys. So I'm only here temporarily. I didn't really want to buy too much stuff. It's not my house to really decorate. But I did want to get myself a new like bed setup because sleep is everything. I love to be like buried under fluffy bedding, and my mom had a quilt on here. It was very, very beautiful, but I asked her if I could swap it out and she liked this, so I'm happy that she likes it, which is super important. And I love this like neutral look. My last place was pink and gray cream as well, so I think the neutral is such a look and I'm into it. So I got the shams with the comforter from Target, and then those sheets that I showed you guys. I had to go back to Target to get extra pillowcases, and they were all out of the jersey, so I realized these don't match, but the colors are still in the same family. This is like temperature control, and I don't know, it looks good, it works, it's gonna do the trick just fine. The bed is extremely comfy, so I think when I leave I can probably take this bedding with me, although it is a full-size bed, but I think the comforter said full/queen, so I don't know, hopefully it'll still work. And as you can see, I'm midway through editing and I was like, girl, I forgot to update them on what it actually looks like all done. So for the nightstand, my mom was so nice enough to clean out the drawers for me, so I have storage in there. The closet, we're not going to get into that because I still need to get storage and hangers and organize things proper. It's just a mess right now. I did my best to make it look like it was actually like presentable just for you guys. So I made myself some tea just now. I like to have tea while I edit. You can hear my voice is definitely kind of croaky, so that really helps to soothe me. And my mom, I'm pretty sure this is from Target. Isn't that so cute? In order to be remembered, leave nothing behind but love. I love that. Isn't that beautiful? So one thing I need to get is one of those extenders for the outlet back here, because I have a speaker that I would like to plug in, and then my Apple Watch charger. But other than that, like, this is a perfect setup for me. I stole one of my mom's leaves candles. I asked her last night. Trust me, she literally has half of Bath & Body Works in her house, like, for storage. She is stocked up for a few years. And then I have my Tom Ford fragrance. I have my blue light glasses for editing and everything. I will link down below where I get my blue light glasses from. You guys tend to ask me from time to time. Just really helps to protect my eyes from computer screens, TV, the iPhone, all of that stuff. And then inside this bag is just the rest of my fragrances, but I thought it looked cute because it's gray and cream and all of that good stuff. Not really sure where those pieces of furniture are. I did move this ottoman over here because I needed more space. I need to get Leroy a dog bed for over here, but he has his toys and his blanket. He's just chilling. But yeah, I have my speaker on the floor right now because I need to go get that plug, and I need to go get hangers for my clothes that I haven't put away yet, but it looked cute before you guys had to see all that. And then this is the blanket that I had got as well from Target, which I washed. And I love this. It's very, very soft. It washed really well. It didn't get weird in the dryer. And then on the other side is like a reversible chocolate. Very cozy. Leroy loves it. So that's my bed setup. And then my mom has this beautiful artwork. And y'all know I brought my slippers from LA. These are UGG. I will try to link them below if I can find them. They're super duper cozy. I just don't like walking around the house without something on my feet. I don't know. Anyone else like that? Let us know. Yeah, this is my room where I'll be staying, and I love it. It's so cozy. There's no TV, which is great. I don't watch a lot of TV, just the Food Network. So it'll help me really stay focused on quality sleep, not staying up too late, and getting my work done and being productive. And honestly, nobody needs a TV in every freaking room, okay? So I can watch my Food Network anywhere else. But I'm gonna go ahead and chop up this video, and I will see you guys in my next one very soon. Say hi to the people.